Still wrestling with ordinary oil to degrease your engine cabinet? Tired of all the time-consuming process and looking for a professional touch? Well, I have got a perfect solution for you.
Introducing Gunk Degreaser, one of America's leading vehicle care brands, brought to you by Veedol, the tough degreaser for tough situations.
Let me show you how this powerhouse can revolutionize your engine maintenance routine. And here's an eco-friendly twist. It's not just tough on grease, but gentle on environment too.
Mix Gunk Degreaser with water in a 1:1 ratio for optimal performance. Now watch as we tackle that stubborn grease in the engine cabinet. Gunk Degreaser effortlessly dissolves heavy grease and grime, cutting through the toughest oil to give your engine cabinet a brilliant shine. It's your go-to partner for deep cleaning.
All done in just a few minutes. Fast, efficient, and eco-friendly. That's the Gunk Degreaser difference.
Recommended for earth-moving equipments and trucks. Safe on rubber and plastic too. Eco-friendly and economical. Water-based formula. Mix the concentrate with water in 1:1 ratio. Then soak the dirty metal parts in the mixture for at least 30 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly before reuse.
Gunk Degreaser. Tough degreaser for tough situations.